by his friends. And then they meet this guy. And then the wife says, if you find her son, let him come back. And then,
attention in and around Red Deer Space Racers Park.
Darth Vader says no, but the guy believes that he's there, but he really is. And then Darth Vader tries to kill the dad, and he does. And Princess Leia and Finn cry. And then Princess Leia was dead, but she woke up, and Finn was dead too. And Finn lay down there, and then Princess Leia killed Darth Vader, and Princess Leia was helping Finn get up, and then Princess Leia got with the big hairy dog and went back home, and that was the end.
Star Wars